Novelis announced in its latest quarterly report that it plans to restart a hot mill damaged by a fire at its Oswego, New York plant. The metal manufacturer expects operations to resume in December. Novelis said it primarily contained the September 16th blaze to the facility's hot mill, which serves as the main aluminum sheet production area. However, other production centers suffered damage. The incident did not result in any injuries, but the company estimated the total impact at approximately $21 million, the total cost of the damage after insurance and other reimbursements, including $11 million in non-cash charges, what the company will write off due to damaged buildings and equipment. According to a company webpage detailing recovery, Novelis initially projected hot mill operations to resume in early 2026. Restoration efforts have already brought the cold mill, finishing, and recycling ingot casting areas back online. The latest update on November 5th mentioned that crews are working 24/7 to repair the roof and surrounding structural damage. The company noted that it installed new roof trusses, procured nearly 7,000 parts required for repairs, and conducted a large-scale cleaning across the facility. The fire stands to negatively affect many of Novelis' customers, including those in the automotive sector. Citing analysts from Evercore, Reuters reported that the fire could cut up to $1 billion from Ford's earnings by disrupting F-150 truck production for months. The aforementioned November 5th update mentioned that Novelis used other avenues of supply from its plants worldwide and industry peers to limit customer disruption. Specifically, CBT News reported that the company sourced from plants in Brazil, South Korea, and Europe, despite facing a 50% US tariff on imported aluminum. Novelis declined to provide details regarding the hot mill's operational capacity, sources used to supply customers, or any effects from tariffs. IAN did not receive a response to its request for comment from Ford. I'm Nolan Beilstein. This is Manufacturing Now.